All right, folks, so here's the deal. This section of the documentation, it is specifying the Robotic Enterprise Framework and what you need to know in order to succeed in this exam. And this is the most important section of everything that you are going to study to this exam. So that's why I have split this section in actually 5 different modules. And we are going to work a lot with this Robotic Enterprise Framework template. We're going to create one performer bot, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do that and why we are doing that. And then on the next module, we are going to create the dispatcher bot that is going to populate the queue, because the performer is expecting the data to be in the queue, and then it is going to extract that queue item and process it. All right. And the dispatcher is the bot that is going to read the source of the data and populate the queue in order to be processed. After that, after we have the performer and the dispatcher, we need to know how to modify the REFramework. So this row right here. So you are going to learn what you need to do in order to change from a queue process to a data row or a string or a mail list. So whatever is the information you have to process, you have to know how to change your REFramework to work with that. Because every automation has a different needs, and you need to adapt to that requirement. Next, we are going to check the different type of processes that the REFramework can accommodate. For example, transactional, linear, or iterative. We're going to check one by one of them. And last but not least, we have some other considerations about the REFramework that we're going to handle that in a separated module with different lectures. So that is how we are going to deal with this section of our studying path, and I hope you to grab the most information possible from this. All right, so that's about it. Now let's jump to our next module and start working on our performer robot.